Welcome to the channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos. I want to bring you this review on this service or product. We enjoy bringing you our opinion on what we think of different products and services. We do ask you to subscribe, share, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. We appreciate having you here. We hope you enjoy this review video, and we look forward to bringing you more info. So make sure you share. So, let's get on to our product or service we're offering.
Hey, this is one of my local business reviews. I periodically do it for a local business that I am associated with or have used or know of. So if you have a local business in the Hobe Sound, Stuart, Florida area, or even if you are located in another state, we can actually help you out. So please contact us, James at jjmediaonline.net. Please like this video, share it, go below, connect with us on our social media channels, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. This video, I am actually doing a local detailing business. So I'm going to show you their business card, and then I am going to go to their website and talk to you about what they do and can do in their great service. So it is Splish Splash Detailing, and they actually have a pretty cool card. They have a reward program that 1 through 10, as you do different detailing, as they detail your vehicle, your RV, whatever. They have special pricing, per foot pricing, but you can actually call them 772-236-6767. It is the number's right there, which will be going to their website anyway. And they do all kinds of detailing. The basic wash 35, basic wash and wax 60, full detail 140. That's just a small sedan. So we're going to go to their website and we're going to talk about all they do. So, okay, we are on their website. It is splishsplashdetailing.com. Splishsplashdetailing.com. They provide a high quality mobile detailing service, and their slogan is "Let us help you drive in style." They do have a Facebook and Instagram. Their services: auto detailing, marine, and RV detailing. So let's go to their services page. Okay, their basic package, the basic wash starting at $35, and it covers exterior hand wash, compressed air towel dry, tires and rims cleaned and dressed, vacuum, includes trunk, full interior wipe down, windows, door jambs wiped. Their $60 is exterior hand wash, compressed air towel dry, tires, rims dressed clean, vacuum, full interior wipe down, windows, door jambs wiped. And okay, that's where the basic stops right there. They also wax on with an orbital buffer, wax off by hand. Okay, the full detail is all this: orbital wax, vacuum, full interior cleaned and dressed, carpets and mats, upholstery shampooed, leather cleaned and conditioned, headliner spot cleaned, windows, door jambs wiped, air ionizer. So this is their services. Additional services: they have clay bar, that's 40, removes contaminant that are embedded in vehicles paint, headlight restoration for $60, engine bay cleaning 60, hard water spot removal 40, paint correction, and they do have call for quote. I'm sure there are several different varieties, and they would have to take a look at it. Dash and door, that is just the door panels and dash cleaned and dressed, 60. All these are 60. The leather detail, carpet shampoo, ceramic coating. Now this is something a little bit different. I don't know a whole lot about, but they actually put an extra coating. I do have a family member that did get that done, and it really just did something different and really nice about with their vehicle. and it gives the ultimate paint protection. Okay, here's a little bit more. With us living in South Florida, RV detailing and RV cleaning is one of the big things. Wash, $7 a foot. So if you have a 40-foot, that'd be 140. Yeah, 140 just for the wash. So 40 foot, that'd be $400 if you want to wash and wax. Slide out waxing, $10 each. Compounding, call for, quote, marine detailing, $8 a foot. Wash and wax, $13 a foot. You can see it there. Okay, the ceramic coating. Let's dig in a little bit more. I believe that they actually, nope, they don't go in any deeper. So, okay, they are experienced staff, over 6 years of combined experience in auto, marine, RV detailing industry. They use high quality products, and their quality promise is we're committed to providing a stress-free experience to both new and returning customers. Our detailers guarantee that your car will look like it is fresh off the lot when you pick it up. So those are the owners right there. And it's Jesse and Zach. So they're really doing a good job. You can actually go to their photo gallery and see some of their galleries. You can contact them through their website, or you can call their number. This is their hours, or you can book online. Some of the reviews. Let's see if they have any. Okay, my car looks new as the day I purchased it. On time, professional, did a great job. They did my black Tundra and made it look like new. So they do have some good reviews. Very, very good reviews. So I guess what I'm saying is, I just want to say I highly recommend them. Splish Splash Detailing. If you live in Stuart, Palm City, Hobe Sound, Port St. Lucie area in Florida, they can help you out. So if you need detailing, contact them, and I give them a thumbs up on my review. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, like this video. Go below and contact us and or connect with us on our social media channels.